How to delete TikTok account. So here is how to delete your TikTok account permanently. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app from your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your TikTok account. Then go to your profile. Once inside profile, tap on the three lines available at the top right corner of your screen. Then some options will be available on your screen. From there, all you have to do is tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the account at the top. Once inside account, tap on the deactivate or delete account option available there. Then tap on the delete account. Now you will be asked for reason of deleting your account. Simply tap on any and continue. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompts to delete your account and continue and confirm. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.